Your dress?
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear this today?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
We have balloons in my room.
And you have balloons
Yeah.
from your birthday?
Yeah. Next video. Another pillow. Hi, Mommy. Kapop, kapose. The flash, Emma, suppose.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brianna, aka MiniMarley, and
Stella.
and we are back for another vlog. We are just about ready to leave the house. I'm about to take Stella to school as usual. Okay, let's go get your book bag. Come on. Here. You need help?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. What's wrong? There. It's okay? You want some juice? Go get a juice quickly. Alright, here you go, babe.
Who's that?
What do you mean? Alright, you done? Okay, close it up. Give it to me. Alright, Stella is off to school and I'm literally just sitting here in front of the gym like, am I sure this is what I want to do? If you guys watched one of my recent vlogs, I was talking about weight loss and how much I've gained recently and how I need to get back in the gym. And this is pretty much going to be my first time back in a long time and I am dreading it. Like, I don't want to go, but we are going to knock this out. Let's go. Okay guys, I am so tired. I can barely get a word out, but I finished my workout. I'm honestly really happy with it because even though I'm by myself today, I really pushed myself to do almost as much as I used to do. I did a mile on the treadmill, both running and walking. I did some ab stuff, as you guys saw at the end. some crunches and twists, did some squats, and I used the leg machine. I am done. But the view from this gym is gorge. I love it. All right, so I'm back in the house. I just stopped here really quickly to change my shoes and grab a drink because I'm so beat. I feel like somebody hit me with a ton of bricks. I haven't done that in so long and it took so much out of me. But like I said, I have to run a few errands. I need to return a few stuff at some stores and then grab something to eat, something healthy, because we're changing our lives today. But yeah, all right, so let's hurry up and do this. Today is a half day at Stella's school because tonight is her Christmas program. It's so cute. The dress that I showed you guys earlier, well, the dress that she made me show you guys is what she's gonna be wearing. Adorable. But they have rehearsal at 5:50, so we need to pick them up from school by 3. We have to pick them up from school, so I want to get everything I need to get done, come home, shower, pick her up, then I have to go to an appointment, then get her ready for the show. First stop is Party City. I just need to return some items that I bought for Stella's birthday party from here that I didn't end up using. Party City is so expensive, so definitely want to get my money back. I recommend
I want to
it.
start my own channel, my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I fish.
Yeah? Well, introduce yourself. No.
Hi. Oh, you live?
Well, no. I just turned it on just now.
Oh, okay.
So that was cute. They basically saw my camera and was like, oh my gosh, you vlog? Tell us about your channel. What do you do? This and that. And the guy was telling me he wants to start his channel. But anyway, quick and easy. Oh, got that one return done. Now I'm gonna go to Old Navy, return some things that I bought, and then I also made an online purchase at one of my favorite stores, and they accept returns in this random store that's unrelated to them, but it's convenient for me because I don't have to go ship it and pay to ship it. I can just bring it back to the store. So that is what I'm about to do right now. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I just need to return.
Yeah,
That's one receipt, and then the rest is on this receipt.
For cents, you need to put your debit card, okay?
Okay. Fun fact, Old Navy is the first job that I ever had, and this specific Old Navy is the first one that I ever worked at. Or it was the only one I ever worked at. So this particular Old Navy was my first job. Then I got one at Sports Authority, and I basically had both jobs after my senior year of high school. So in this summer, while I was waiting to go to school, I was like, let me make some money, and I started working here. All right, so errands are done for the day. I got everything I needed to return. I got my monies back, my shmoney, and I picked up my salad from Chick-fil-A. I love the spicy Southwest salad. So basically it has spicy grilled chicken, and I get grilled corn on it, and I take off the beans. There's a little bit of cheese, tomato, and you gotta get the avocado lime ranch dressing. All right, I am all dressed. I slicked my hair back into a bun, and I'm gonna leave it tied down until I get to my appointment because I needed to stay slicked. I needed to dry, and I just grabbed my mom bag, threw on this dress. I know I look pretty tropical, but it's winter, but it's Miami, so whatever. So yeah, I'm about to head out now. Was gonna grab Stella from school, but my mom said that she'll pick her up because I'm running short on time. And when I leave my appointment, I think I'm actually gonna stop at Target before I get Stella because I really want to get her some white tights to go with her dress for tonight. She only has black and pink, and I feel like this needs white. Actually, I might have a pair of white. Let me check really quick. fresh pair of white. All right, I just got to my mom's house. I couldn't even vlog if I wanted to when I was at my appointment, going in and out, because it was pouring rain, like pouring. And for a second, I'm like, I don't know what's about to happen, because I needed to pick up Stella, go get her dressed, drop her at her rehearsal, and then we have her show at 7. And I'm like, who's about to do all of that in this rain? That would be tragic. But the sun is out. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm at my mom's house now. I'm about to go in and say hi to her and everything. And then we have to head over to my house so that she can put on her little dress. She's going to be so excited, guys. Watch.
In the car washer where you can get your car clean.
Where? At the car wash?
Yeah.
What car wash?
The one that I see today at when I was going to my Nana's house.
Yeah, Nana took you to the car wash?
No, her car was dirty. Your car's dirty.
Oh, my car's dirty?
Yeah,
You dirtied it up.
No.
You're the one that always dirties my car.
No, I'm going to scratch.
You dirty my car all the time.
No way.
With your snacks.
No.
Yes, you do. Look at this balloon garland from Stella's party. It wasn't coming to my house. Grandma's house is where all the fun happens. Thank you, Tony.
It was her mommy.
I thought you were her mommy.
But you have to rock her.
I have to rock her?
Yeah.
I'm her mommy now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Bye, see you later.
I'm not Stella Bella, I'm Stella.
Stella Bella.
Alright, it's time to get ready for the show.
Yeah.
What are you wearing?
A princess dress.
A princess dress?
Yeah.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's try it on. Yeah, we have to go put on the bow.
I'm making it pretty, Mommy. Are you making it bad?
No, I'm making it pretty.
Pretty.
Of course.
If you want to have a tree, then wash your hands. If you want to have a tree, then wash your hands. If you want to have a tree, then you must wash your hands. I just like my dress and my bow.
You love it?
Yeah, and I like that's from the dress.
Yeah. Let me see how you look. Wow, spin around. Yay! You just need your shoes now. Let's go. Okay, let me take a picture of you. Look at me. Cross your legs. Cheese. Looks like there's a line for us to get our kids inside, so I'm not late at all. This is where you're gonna dance. In there. We have to go inside. Stella, go. We got decent seats. Michael's here. I said Michael's here. And the rest of my family is up on the balcony.
Welcome all parents, friends, and family to our 2019 holiday show. We are very excited that you are here with us.
Hey, where do you go to get her?
Over there.
You know, gone yet?
Oh, hi, Eli.
Wow, you're not gonna sign out.
Yeah.
But you know it was because of the dress.
Yeah, we were just talking about that. We were just talking about that. If she had on the tree, she would have not moved.
No.
She just wants to shake her on
Shake
the
the
tree.
bottom. To shake her bottom over. Oh my. But then something was her when she doing the legs. She keep
She wasn't even following the choreography.
No, some of them were. I noticed in my videos, some were following it. She's just doing her own thing.
That's the same thing happening in the choir. You're gonna have to stop. No dancing, just to sing. She
Look.
Wow. That, no wonder. That little dress is
It's the jet. Oh,
tight. Hi.
yeah, you got a flower. I love it.
You did good. This dress is a nice dress, eh? It moves.
Like a princess up there.
It moves around.
Stella, you were dancing like
Let me see. It's tight. Yes, it's tight.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye, dear. Bye-bye.
Stella's dad is spoiling her with flowers. These were her birthday ones, and these are from tonight. Let's see if they can fit. Ooh.
We're just doing it and we're vlogging. And all the time we just do this and put the flowers in that, you see?
Looking beautiful. These really lasted so long. It's been a whole week already. And they actually looked more dead before I put them in here, and now they look fresh.
One is broken.
One of them?
Yeah.
It's still alive. It's okay. Alright guys, so we are back home. Stella, you did an amazing job. You know that?
Yeah.
You did so good.
And they were brats.
Yeah, you were dancing. You were a ballerina. After we left Stella's performance, we went to my mom's house and we all had dinner. And now we are about to get out of these clothes, get in our pajamas, and go to bed. I am super duper tired. It's been a long day. But that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next
video.
Yeah. Alright, peace out, guys.